Before starting the engine for the day, we need to check the oil level and the air filter. Undo the oil bung and clean the dipstick with a rag. Reinsert the dipstick but don't screw in. Check the oil level against the high and low marks on the dipstick. This machine has a cyclone type pre-filter. Unclip the filter and empty any debris inside. Before starting, check that the operating handle is at the correct height. To adjust, loosen the wing nut, then wind the knob in or out to adjust to a comfortable operating height. To start the engine, first move the throttle to the start position. Turn on the ignition key and the ignition warning buzzer will sound. Turn the key further to crank the engine. To stop the engine, close the throttle. Once the engine stops, the ignition warning buzzer will sound again, reminding you to turn the key off. If the battery is flat, you can manually start the engine. First open the top cover and open the decompression valve. Make sure the ignition is on and the throttle is in the start position. Then pull the recoil starter. Once again, to stop the engine, close the throttle, then turn the key off. To drive the compactor, make sure the engine is running at full throttle, and then ease the control arm forward or backward to move the machine. The further you move the control arm, the faster the compactor will move. The travel speed is infinitely variable, making it easy to get close to other objects. This model has a built-in compaction analyzing system, or COMPAS for short, which gives the operator feedback on how compacted the ground is. When the engine is started, the lights go through a brief startup procedure. The green light will then flash to show the system is ready but the correct revs are not detected. When the throttle is moved to the maximum position, the green light will remain solid, indicating that the correct revs are detected and optimum compaction force is being used. As the ground beneath the compactor starts to compact, the yellow lights will one by one light up, showing higher levels of compaction. Once all lights are on, maximum compaction has been achieved and any further passes could result in overcompaction. The frame has a built-in lifting hook for loading and unloading. When lifting, make sure the operating handle is lowered to keep the compactor well balanced and avoid damage.